See?
Another mushroom, it's right here.
They go all the way over there too, look.
Better be careful.
All the way around the fairy circle.
Can I put this one? Right here. Then I'm going to have to do something about it. And then I'm going to jail.
The woods. Oh, look, a turtle, guys. See it? Yeah. Oh.
Look, that could be water.
Was that cute?
It was a little baby turtle.
It was a slider. That was a red-eared slider.
That was a baby turtle. Baby turtle.
A baby turtle? You like baby turtles?
Yeah. Me. Because they hatch in eggs. Their mom comes, walk up, and then they lay eggs, and they spirit back up. And then they climb out of the hole, and they go straight into the river and find their mom.
Yeah.
Come along. And then, not gonna get me. Flying away. The what's flying away? A little bit. Actually, really help.
I hear an airplane. You got him?
Oh.
There he is.
Oh. Have to keep him trapped.
He likes to be in the grass. Let's have a peek at him. It's in there. Open.
Okay.
Let me see open.
It's about to climb out.
That's okay, let him out. Oh, there he is.
It's on my arm.
He is.
Tickles.
Is he tickling you?
Go fly away. Let's walk with him. Got a big chunk. Count that real quick. Fly. So much. Nature has beautiful butterflies and some trees. The wind saving me. The wind not saving me, it didn't me. Whoa! And I'm going down there. We're gone. We got the wind. I don't want to touch the wind.
You hear the leaves talking to you?
It says head pocket.
It's a hedgehopper.
Yeah. And that's another one. And it's kind of sticky a little bit. Thanks. A bit.
Is a hedgehopper part of nature?
Is it some kind of animal?
No, it's more like some kind of plant. Something has been eating them. I wonder what eats the seeds. Look, see, maybe it is squirrels.
I think it's squirrels because I found some of those, but they're acorns, and they need to just grow their little thingy.
Yeah.
And stuff. This one's almond. This one's yummy.
What is it?
This one's yummy.
Sticks, sticky sticks.
What? It's on me.
It's on you?
Let's go this way. I want it. Let's go this way. What are you taking a picture of?
I'm looking at the sun through the trees. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. Some little fishes can be in here.
Where's the little frog go?
What's that? This called my
Here,
hair.
little frog.
Okay, keep going.
Oh, cute. Oh, can you catch it?
He's not in the water. Going too fast. I want to do wow. Don't sit in the mud.
Ooh, that water is cold.
Oh, so I almost slipped in it with my shoes.
It feels like bunny fur.
Feel it. Feel this one. Feel it.
So soft.
It's this one. Super soft.
Listen to the sound it makes when you touch it. Do you see him over here?
No, I want to go home.
Okay, we'll go home. Do you see him?
Maybe there's some on the side.
Do you see him flying? I see him everywhere. They're very, very tiny. Look, look.
I see one.